welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I have a sketch with me video. Normally I don't show my sketching process because I am a very messy sketcher. I do a lot of erasing, but a company called Nicpro reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try out some of their mechanical pencils. So I gave them a look online, and of course, because they were pastel, they were right up my alley with their aesthetics, so I decided to try them out. They sent me 4 different styles of mechanical pencil sets that I'm going to show you guys. First, let's talk about the neutral pastel set. It's not officially called that, but that's just what I'm gonna call it because of the pretty neutral colors. It comes with several refills of 0.5mm lead, a chunky eraser, and a lot of mini eraser refills for the pencils, and of course 4 different mechanical pencils. Next up is another neutral pastel set, but this time this is a 0.74 piece set. It comes with everything as the same as the previous set. Now we have the pastel set. This is a 0.7mm lead 4-piece set. This one comes with different color erasers that match the barrel of the mechanical pencils, multiple lead refills, and a tube of the mini eraser refills. And the last set is the largest set with a 0.7 and 0.5mm lead, multiple chunky erasers, and a tube of mini eraser refills, and of course all the pretty mechanical pencils. With this set, the barrel of the mechanical pencil is triangular. So for some people, it could give you a feeling of holding a real pencil. So now let's move on to the sketching. I'm just sketching in my Moleskine. The reason why there is a big jump from the initial sketch to this is because my camera I thought was recording and it wasn't at all. So it seems a little bit jumpy on this part, but I promise it does get better. Not only did I use these pencils for sketching, I did use these to study, and I did use the 0.5mm lead for my Japanese studies. And I will say this was really comfortable to write with. And I did notice that when I was studying that they had these little graphics on the side, and I thought that was really cute, so I wanted to show you guys. So not only can you use these for sketching and drawing, but they are really good, and for me, comfortable to study and write with. we are near the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this sketchbook session. Nicpro did actually hook you guys up with a discount code. Check the description box below. It can be applied to 1 or 2 of the sets or all 4 if you like. Just don't forget to check the description box. Don't forget to check out my other social medias and my online shop, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.